Hey, Sile again from MetaView, sharing another awesome new feature within our AI sourcing agent. Our sourcing agent is the first truly autonomous AI sourcing agent. We've been sharing a few things about the product that help you find particular profiles and save you the time sort of scrolling through and filtering through the internet. Now we're going to jump over and share how the AI can help you research markets for talent. So the way to think about this is you can also think of our AI sourcing agent almost as like a very junior member of your team who you can chuck research tasks at so that you have a far more thorough understanding for your talent strategy. Let me show you what I mean. So jumping over to the sourcing agent now, and instead of asking the AI to source me some profiles, I'm actually going to ask it to do some research. Now, in our case, we've got a very important talent strategy decision we're looking to make. And of course, data is your friend for these big sort of one-way door decisions. And so I want some help. We're looking to open a second office in the US. We're trying to choose between Atlanta and Austin. This is going to be primarily for sales talent. So I'd like to know what is the depth of the talent pool within these markets, especially when it comes to B2B SaaS sales. Who are the biggest players? Where's talent moving to and from? And anything else you think might help me decide which of these locations to focus our efforts on. And so again, a big strategic decision. Where are we going to open up in our case, third office? Is it going to be Atlanta? Is it going to be Austin? I want data to help me, and I want MetaView to go and source me the research I need. And so what we'll do now is it will start to sort of unpack this request. It's trained and has a bunch of tools to run really high quality market mapping. And it's going to play back to me what it thinks is the most relevant data. And then I can have a discussion with it to make sure we're getting the information we need. Okay, amazing. So yeah, check this out. This is really phenomenal stuff. You can see the AI's full reasoning trail. It took it about 3 or 4 minutes to get to this point. So we skipped it for the sake of this video. So, still fairly quick, but it is deep research at the end of the day. It searched through B2B SaaS sales professionals in Atlanta, then in Austin, and it started to compile a bunch of other data. And what it's done for me is it's put together a market comparison visualization, both in terms of the total talent pool, the average tenure of the talent pool, salary benchmarks, how many folks are senior, how many companies. It's like really phenomenal data that I can now both consume and sort of take away and use to make my decision, or chat with the AI in order to get sort of additional data points that we think might be valuable. So yeah, really excited about deep research. It's going to get better and better every day. Really pumped to see what type of analysis you folks are most interested in. Do give us any feedback on this. We're working a lot on it to sort of take it to the next level, but super excited about where it's at. Again, I would encourage you to think of this as like a junior team member where the quality of your instructions are going to play a big part in the quality of the output, but really gives you huge leverage, especially on these sort of like broader talent decisions you might be making. Enjoy.